In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use date range in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to measure time and price changes between 2 points on your chart, and how to jump straight to any date or custom period in your trading history. First, open your charts in TradingView so you are looking at the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. Everything we're about to do works the same whether you are on a 1-minute chart or a weekly view. To measure a date range, look to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Find the fifth icon from the top, the Forecast Tools menu. Click it, then choose Date Range. This tool lets you quickly check how long a move took and how much price changed over that time. Now apply it to your chart. Click once on the candle where you want your measurement to begin. Then click again on the candle where you want it to end. As soon as you set those 2 points, TradingView draws a measurement box between them. Inside that box, you'll see 3 key pieces of information: the total time that elapsed between your starting and ending candles, the exact number of bars or candles included, and the price change both as a percentage and as a raw value. This makes it easy to answer questions like how many sessions a trend lasted, how big the pullback was, or how a move compares with a previous swing. Because it counts bars, your time frame matters. On a daily chart, bars represent days. On a 5-minute chart, they represent 5-minute intervals. If your clicks weren't perfectly placed, just keep in mind that the measurement reflects the exact candles you selected. So be deliberate about your start and end points. Next, let's jump to a specific date using TradingView's Go To feature. On Windows, press Alt+G. On a Mac, press Option+G. That opens a dialog with a calendar picker right on your chart. Choose the date you want, and your chart view moves instantly to that point in time on your current time frame. This is perfect for revisiting prior earnings, economic events, or any period you want to study without endless scrolling. If you need to focus on a broader slice of history, switch to the Custom Range tab in that same Go To menu. Set your from date and year to date, and TradingView will display that exact historical window, letting you analyze it as a self-contained period. And that's it. Thanks for watching.